Evelyn B. Abia. Colon S4, Cadet Major Rex P. Encinas, Colon S7, Cadet Major Marcano P. Rinaldo, Major Leader Gabriela P. Friel, Band Leader Prince A. Salamias, Cadet Padre, Cadet Captain George P. Campos, Cadet Exo, Cadet First Lieutenant Ashley Kayla Albino, First Lieutenant Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Del G. Pasa, Second Lieutenant Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Baggett Isabel P. Gulag, CAP Facilitator, Canada, Lieutenant Colonel Humphrey and Lieutenant Infantry GNC Military Army, Advisor Coordinator, John Vincent Empayron, Major Colonel, Florida P. Pilosa, Entry Number 36, Pamilo, State University, Ola, Camarines Sur.
Entry number 37, Central People's University of Agriculture, PD Campus, PD Camarines Sur. Principal, Dr. Alberto N. Lapel, Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Monica A. Vinicius, Corps Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Dino H. Lalaro.